Hey guys, welcome to Complete Auto TV. This is Final Assembly Part 2, and there may be a Part 3. I'm not positive. We'll just have to wait and see what happens. But for now, enjoy Part 2. I apologize it's taken so long for me to get this video out. School hit me real hard. I've just been so busy, so that's why. Thank you guys all for watching. I hope you guys enjoy. Stick around. Alright guys, it's the next day. We got the car over here out of courtesy for my parents. I don't want to get in their way. So I'm going to finish up this spot here now. I'm also going to come over here. I've already showed you all this, but I'm going to fix that one down there. And as well as the one on the hood. I'm going to try something new with the hood. I got my bodywork stuff on top of it, but I'm going to try to use hot water, like boiling water, and a plunger to get, you can't see it until you look at it at an angle, yeah, right there. So it's right about here. When you look straight up on top of it, it vanishes for some reason, but yeah. You saw about half of that sanding process. I turned off the camera early because I decided that you guys probably didn't care that much, and it was long and stupid and all the same. So we got it down to bare metal. But we're running out of light, and I have to go somewhere pretty soon. So we're going to pick this up tomorrow or the next day, depending on school. guys, I apologize for the wind. It's actually kind of died down now that I've started talking. But we did our second layer of Bondo here, and we just have, well, actually no, we have two, but I haven't sanded it down at all the first time, just because I saw right off the bat that there were some low spots. So I'll wait till that dries, and then I'll sand it all off. And then I was gonna get some hot water and a plunger for this dent here, and I couldn't find a plunger. So I'm gonna try to use the hot water by itself and hope that, I mean, I'm not positive this is gonna work, but I'm gonna give it a try. I think the hot water will kind of make the metal more pliable, so it might just pop out by itself. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put some cardboard here to kind of channel the water down, and then I'll cover the headlight with some cardboard to keep it from ruining the coat. Hello, cat. So it's the next day. I moved the Camry over here, and I'm gonna get started sanding off these spots back here. And it's pretty cold. It's like 15 degrees here. So I might I might be running inside and warming up a little bit every once in a while. I actually changed my mind. I decided it was too cold, so I brought the car here. Sorry, I'm trying to get focus. The car here in the garage. So we have a little heater over there. So I'll light that up, and we'll get started. So we have got some big bubbles, and I don't know how that happened. Must have been the way I put it on there, or maybe the temperature or something. But I'm going to try. I'm not sure if you can actually do this or not, but I'm going to try to just fill those in with another layer, and get a better finish on the second try. I'm not sure. The other side looks better, but there are still some low spots. I'll show you guys that in a second. There you go. So none of those big old gaps. Well, not as many. There's a couple, just not as deep though. But there's a low spot right here and right here. I think that's it. So I'm gonna get another batch of Bondo and fix that. Yeah, and I forgot to tell you guys, our results on our panel, our hood. You see that there's still that dent there that the light's reflecting off of. But other than that, we got all the other little smaller ones, or most of the other little smaller ones, out with the hot water. It was mostly successful, but I don't know. We might try to figure something else out to try to get that big one out. Hey guys, sorry, I forgot to turn on the camera. So you saw me do this side, but you didn't see me do that side. I did that side just the same as I did this one. And it's been about maybe 2 hours drying. They say 30 minutes. I just got carried away. So now I'm gonna sand it off, and see if we need to do one more coat. We might. I'm hoping that we won't, though. I don't believe this. I forgot again. I'm so sorry. It's just sitting here, like, turned off. I am very sorry. I will try not to do that again. 2 times in a row, too. So, I sanded down, and it wasn't perfect, but I put some high filler primer over it so I could see all the all the spots that oh, it's still wet, whoops. But those spots, you can see them. It just brings them out a little better so you can see them. So I'll end up sanding that off and then spraying it again and sanding, spraying, sanding, spraying. And I haven't done it over there, so you guys still get to see it over there. If I don't forget to turn on the camera again. Alright, so we have about 3 coats of high filler primer. I'm going to sand it smooth on both sides and then see what I need to do after that. Maybe more Bondo, probably more high filler primer. Second thought, we're going to let it dry and finish it tomorrow. I started sanding and it just gummed up my sandpaper real quick. It's just not quite dry enough to sand, so that's what we're going to do. I'm back in my room of destiny. That's what I like to call it. Where I record all my intros and outros. It's actually just my bedroom, but it's full of destiny. Anyway, I was going to finish off all the bodywork this episode, but it started snowing like crazy. Like -5 degrees the last 4 days. So it's just absurd, and I don't want to work in that kind of cold. So I'm going to wait till it gets warmer in next episode. I'll just finish that off real quick before we do paint. So, next episode is getting ready for paint. Make sure you guys watch that. I like you guys. Please like, subscribe, comment, share, all that. See you in the next one. Peace out.